Welcome to FleetDesks ERP. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to manage rental vehicles. So if you are a company and you have acquired vehicles on rental basis from some other rental company, then how you can add those vehicles into FleetDesk and assign those vehicles to your other customers or your employees or however you want to do it. So doing that is very easy. You go to if you see in the store section, we have a section called rental vehicles management. So to add a vehicle, first of all, you have to go to define item and you have to create that vehicle here. So creating step we have already covered in the define item step. You can watch that video and to receive this vehicle on rental basis, you simply come to the rental vehicles management. So quickly, I will just create a new vehicle, add item, this new vehicle code, it can be, let's say this is the vehicle code, item name is bike, and item category is vehicle. And I will skip the other options, save. Now, rental vehicles management, this is where you can add those vehicles into FleetDesk. So on the top right corner, you have the option add receiving. You click here and then you first of all select the receiving date. Let's say I received 1st February 2025. I will select the same vehicle which I just created. Now the name pops up automatically. You have to select the supplier. So let's say in my case, I will select this company as a supplier here and rent per month. Let's say the rental amount which you are going to pay them on a monthly basis is this one and the contract expiry date. This is a mandatory option. You have to select a contract expiry date. So let's say you have received this vehicle for three years agreement. Okay, so I will select 1st February 2025 678. So I selected here. Remarks, you can put any whatever. If you want to leave it, you can leave it and save. Now we have added this vehicle into the inventory. So once this vehicle is added into inventory, this is just like any other item. Just like any other item you have purchased, you can do whatever you want to do with this item. You can give it to an employee, you can rent it to someone. It's added into your inventory simply. So if you go to the rental vehicles management, you can see the list of all the vehicles which you have acquired from all the companies. So code, item name, supplier, monthly rent, registration date, receiving date, and expiry date. And here now, once you acquire a vehicle at the end of month, this rental company, they will be sending you an invoice, of course. So the same invoice which they sent you to for a comparison, we can calculate those invoices from our end also. So if you go to the vehicle rent option or simply from the add rent invoice, here, I will select date as today, expense account, I will select as vehicles rent, whatever is your respective account, and supplier easy lease. And start date, I will select its month of 1st March, and the end date is end of March here, and VAT and fetch. So what happened here is all the vehicles which we have acquired from this company, they are listed here automatically. So these are all the vehicles which were acquired before, and this is a vehicle which we acquired, just added now. So for the month of March, I'm getting charged for the full month. But if you remember, we received this vehicle in the month of February. So if I go back to February and I fetch this list again, I can still see this item. But if I go to the month of January, then I should not see this vehicle. I see this vehicle is gone because this vehicle we had received from the rental company in the month of February. If I choose the select respective dates, and I will see it here. So you have to select the appropriate start date and end date because as per the invoice which your client have sent you. So let's say at the end of month they send you an invoice from at start date and end date. Choose the same dates and your records they should match your supplier's record. If you want to put any remarks, you can do that, or if you want to attach any attachments or for the invoice which you have received, you can do that. And here you can see that there is an option for import Excel. So the reason we have added this is if after manual reconciliation, you just don't want to go into all the headache of comparing and you just want to consider the invoice which your client has, which your supplier has sent to you as verified invoice, you can simply upload that data here directly. So I hope this is clear. And if you have any questions, you can either drop a comment or you can contact our customer support team. And that's it. Thank you.